Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to recover Pinterest account without email. So basically, if you lost the access of your email and you tried to log into your Pinterest, basically you cannot do anything. So I found this post from the official Pinterest Help Center website, and as you can see, if you deactivated your account but want to use Pinterest again, simply log in. So you have to be able to log in to the email account associated with your Pinterest account to reactivate your account. So if you don't have access to your email, create a new account instead. So basically, you're gonna have to create a new account, or what you can do, you can try to contact the support team of Pinterest. So if you have a bigger Pinterest account, you can basically contact them and tell them about your problem, and basically they're gonna help you with this. So basically that's all. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.